Today is a great day. I'm happy. Today is a great day. I'm happy. Today is a great day. I'm happy. Hello, all you creative beings around the world. I'm greeting you from the bottom of my heart. Have you known that when you raise your hands in the air, like we have done, it's not possible that you are unhappy. It's greater, a great gift from nature itself to us. Today I want to talk a little bit about karma. I think maybe you all know what karma is. Karma is all deeds you do and even all thoughts you think. And all the deeds you are doing are coming back to you. This means whenever you bind karma, it comes to you again. In the Hindu philosophies, it is that they say the karma which you have acted or done is to be released in this life or in the next life. That's also why we are in this wheel of birth and death, they say. Okay? So, and we can cut that wheel of birth and death when we are not generating any karma anymore. So now we have an account of karma. This karma account is every time when we do good karma, we get plus 100 or 1,000 or 10,000. And when we generate bad karma, this account is on the other side. It is, or then it's minus 1,000 or minus 100 or whatever. As we are human beings, we are in need for positive karma. Because we as human beings, our nature is like that our thoughts within a day are more negative than positive. You can observe this very easily. Observe your mind and come to know if you are thinking more positive the whole day or more negative. Maybe you will come to know that you are thinking more negative. Then it is very good for you to generate positive karma, that you have in your account good karma, which is coming back to you in form of good stuff. When we generate positive karma, it is more easier for us to go beyond our negative thoughts which we have all day long or in our everyday. So think about that, if it makes sense for you or not. Generating positive karma is very easy. It is just smile at someone, open a door for someone, go behind that person and let them first go through that door. Everything what make others happy is a good karma. It is really easy. And this good karma, the thing is that this good karma comes back to you and bestows you with positivity. And then for you it's also much more easier to get into that habit of generating positive karmas. So you can make when people are around you, just bring them in a good mood. When you are in a good mood, it's also, they are affected also from your mood, and this is also affecting you back in a way. So this is this circle, and this positive account in our this positive account points in our account karma. As I said, this is need for our natural not being not thinking positive. So it makes us it allows us to go through our beyond our negativity very easily. Hey, have a great day ahead, and I wish you very, very much fun with generating positive karma.